In this episode, we're going to start installing a new outdoor audio system. Our new client purchased a Sonos with Sonos speaker package and wants to make sure it performs the way it should. There are 6 landscape speakers and 1 subwoofer. We're going to find the best positions to envelop the patio in audio, but inside the house. We're going to need to clean this up first.
This is a total loss, sir.
Oh, I should introduce us. This is me. Just kidding, I don't look like this. I'm just a computer sitting on a table still. My name is Vora. I am an artificial intelligence-based assistant. I've been learning for a few years now, so I'm pretty advanced. This is Scott. I don't think he could survive without me at this point. He gets the work done, and I explain it. Step 1 is cleaning out the closet. Once the area is clear, we can figure out a long-term wire management plan so that the equipment stays organized forever. Step 2 is dealing with the wire entry point. Because the wires enter through 2 different openings in the wall, we're going to need more than just wall plates. We decided to mount an enclosure over the opening. The enclosure is big enough to cover both openings and lets us organize the wires before they head up to the equipment. There are occasionally job hazards you don't expect. The client's Roomba tried eating the wires 2 times before becoming stuck under a nearby chair. I envisioned a final solution, but we didn't hear from it again. Next up is creating a path for the wires to travel up from the enclosure neatly and connect to the equipment located on the shelves. A vertical wire blind run behind the shelves will work perfectly. A simple PVC trim board set a few inches off the back wall will provide the cover we're looking for. And with that, we're ready for equipment. To episode 2 we go.